I hope you all are with your computers for today's session. Um, because in today's session, there will be no session from my side. It will be a task-based session where I'll give you two tasks and that you need to do. So I hope you have your laptop.
Ma'am, your voice is not very clear today. It's echoing a bit, so it's
Yes,
not clear.
just a, am I audible now? Is it a little bit better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was saying that do you have your laptops today with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today's session will not be a session from my side. It will be a hands-on exercise session where I'll give you few tasks on the basis of whatever we have learned in the previous track. Actually, I just want to have an understanding about if you can do it, few basic exercises, what we discussed in the previous track or not. And there is no limit that you can't use Google. You can search anything, whatever you want, if you don't remember the syntaxes. I just want to have an understanding that if you can do those tasks or not. Because I feel that now you're aware about the terminologies, tools, functions that needs to be taken care of for doing certain tasks. So is everybody okay with this? And I don't expect you to give the right answers on the first go. It's fine if you're not coming up with the correct answer. It's just we are doing it so that you also build confidence. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Great. So before doing the exercise, I'll first show you where what data you need to use for these exercises. So first of all, can you see this data, education.csv data?
Yes, ma'am.
So just download this data. It is shared with you all before only. This is present in 27th. Wait, yes, this one is 9th April folder that you must have got for the session 9th April. From your drive, you can download this data, education.csv. By the time I'm typing in the chat your task, you just download this data and open your Google Colab. Can you see this exercise on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please read this exercise and now one by one you have to understand what you need to do. So your first task for doing this is to step by step in 5 steps write down first what all you have to do one by one for achieving these three outputs at the end. One, you need table with the total number of schools in each district. And second, I want a simple bar chart where in that bar chart, in the x-axis, you will be displaying the districts. In the y-axis, you will be displaying the frequency of the schools in each district. And with the same, this for the same, I want a district-wise plot. In the you can use matplotlib, you can use folium. You want if you want interaction or just static map, that I'm leaving up to you what you want to do. But I just want a district level map as well. So a bar chart, a table, and a district wise map, which should represent the number of schools in each district, either with the color. Some differentiation is needed.
Ma'am, are we doing right now or we have time
Yes,
to do it?
you have to do it right now.
Mhm. Ma'am, I can't see the data, the school and
Yes, the data is this one, this one. This is the data that you have to use. Education data set underscore 2023, 2024. And this is the output that you have to do.
okay.
Yes. You have half an hour for doing this. 30 minutes is too much, but still guys are doing for the first time. So you have 30 minutes to do this task. In the meanwhile, I'm also writing a second task. Whatever task you're comfortable with doing first or later, you can choose. So in complete 1 hour session of today, we have to do these two tasks by the end of it.
Ma'am, can you share this link of the data set, please? Because I can't see the sheet.
Okay, wait. Can't you see the data for session 9th April? Is it not there?
9th April, yes, I can see it here. Let me 9th of
Nine,
April.
wait, yes, 9th April and 9th session for track 3.
Okay. Session 9. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, where we can get the districts? Is it in the school JSON or?
District. Okay, fine. Just give me a minute. Um,
We have school data
okay, give me a
and
minute.
school JSON.
District file I'm sharing, but this is the school data only, the CSV data. School dot. Okay, so this is the attribute information which you have for every single district from here, and this is the point data that you have. Okay, which is just the points, only the points that you have. So, yeah, in this point now you can, from the district column, from this, you have to join these information to those points accordingly in which district it is lying. Okay. And the district shapefile I'll share.
Because we need to make boundaries of the districts.
Yes. Give me a minute, I'll share. Okay, so I have uploaded this district shapefile as well in the same dataset, in the same folder. I have uploaded that as well.
There we can see now. Delhi district.
Yes. So this is the polygon. I will show you how it looks. You can see now that these are the zones. Delhi, all the zones information are there. And in every polygon, you have information of the districts here. You have information about the district. Now, there are three data sets that you have. One is the district polygon, where you only have district information. Another is the school geolocation, which is these points. These points will only have no other information about the schools or the properties or any other information or which districts this particular data belongs to. Okay, just give a minute. I'll just do one thing. I'll make this a little easier for you.
Ma'am, for the school geojson, is the points of the schools we have. Is it
Yes.
school locations?
Yes, school points you have.
Okay. So we need to combine to join the Excel sheet data and the school geojson and make mapping and calculations.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, so what I will do, I'm just making things a little bit easier so that you don't need to join. Because so this is a Delhi school geolocation. So there is a new file that I've uploaded. Omar and Garima, can you see here? There is a new file I have uploaded, Delhi School Geolocation. So this will make things a little easier for you because I have now joined, this is the joint data where you have district information in every single school. So now your task is a little bit easier. You have only three data to focus. One is a school geolocation where also you have district information like this. for every single school. And the second data that you have to use is this one, education data CSV, because other information like number of schools and all those things you need from this, maybe from this, you have to verify that do you need those information or not for the task that we have to do. Do we really require education.csv information now for delineating these information from there? And this polygon for Delhi. So I guess these three are enough for giving these three outputs now. Any confusion in terms of data? Any confusion, anybody?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what will be the output? Can you go a little bit down?
Yes.
Plot district-wise, we choose color on the basis of frequency, number of schools present in the district.
I have also sent an image for the tasks on the chat. Mhm. I have included the DEM data as well in the same folder. WDEM2. You can use this one for the DEM second exercise, the DEM analysis. Okay. Any issues, anybody?
No.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm trying to plot the number of schools in districts.
Okay.
So I
So have
got
you,
some.
are you able to join both of the, have you created a proper data frame?
No. Before joining both of them, I have to identify the Excel sheets to the the structure of the data, like the head, the maximum school, something like that. Still, I didn't join
Okay.
it, both of them, but I'm in that
Okay.
stage.
Okay. Fine. Sally, what about you? Are you doing the exercise?
Are you asking me?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Okay. Where have you reached, Karima Umar? Oh, please.
Ma'am, I make a bar graph plot for the district and the total schools. I merged the data.
Can you share the screen?
Ma'am, I'm on the identifying task of part one.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
I installed GeoPandas, Matplotlib volume. Then I imported. Then I
Mhm.
connected my Google Drive. I mounted it.
Correct.
That's correct.
Mhm.
Okay. Then I make the data structure DDF head, the
Mhm.
columns for
Mhm.
the Excel. I didn't check the CRS, but I
Okay, no problem.
calculated a district column, school column,
Mhm.
students column.
Okay.
Then I make some summary for the group data, the
Okay.
districts, number of schools, and the number of students total.
Mhm.
Then I identified the maximum schools and maximum students.
That's nice. Mhm.
And then I identified which districts have the most schools
Correct.
and the student number of students. Then I did this bar chart,
Okay. Fine.
districts and total schools.
Fine.
Then I did this map wise, but I don't know if it is correct.
Mhm. So at this stage, there is one step that is missing from your end is the what you have to do now. Till this point, whatever analysis you did was fine, but not in the direction of what we wanted, right?
Okay.
So, but this, whatever you did, that was also good. From here also we can build up. Till this point, can you scroll a little up? Up, no, up. I would just want to see before the last output that you got. Yeah, till this stage. So basically the data frame that you wanted is that against each district file, against each district you need to have certain number of school count, all those information that you wanted. So
Okay.
and then the one district file that I shared, the polygon file. In that polygon file, there are different name of districts. Here, if you see that when you plotted the bar graph, you can see that there are East 1, East 2, West 1, West 2. These kind of information are present in this particular data. But if you'll open this district file, the Delhi district file, in that district, yeah, this Delhi district geodesic, correct. So when you open this particular file, you will find that there in this data you have 9 polygons for each district. There you will have certain 9 district name, proper district name. So what you have to do now is that after delineating all these information about the number of school and all those things are present in this education CSV data, you have to club the number of schools that are present against those names. What you can do, Central East is fine. You can club like this. Northeast 1, Northeast 2, you can club it together and rename that name in that cell as Northeast or whatever the name that is present in the Delhi district GeoJSON file. So that you can have the final data which you can club it to your original polygon Delhi file that you have. So that finally now you can add the symbology, add the plot, bar graph and map and all those things. Right now, when you created the map, this was fine, but you can see that a lot of districts are missing from this data. Why? because there is no information about that district present in this data frame that you created. So first of all, you need to create a proper data frame from the actual Delhi district GeoJSON. From there, you will get the districts. Whatever districts you'll have, now you will finalize those 9 districts from this GeoJSON data, and then you'll get back to what you are doing. So, yes. So kind of overall, your process is right for the plotting and everything, but not in the what we wanted to achieve. Correct? So you just have to think a little bit, and for thinking as well, you have to go back to the recording. If you cannot first spend time by yourself, but how can you achieve that? I know that you can do it because till now if you have plotted and done everything, so you know how to do it. You just need to think a little bit how you can join this education data from this school.geojson join this education data CSV into the Delhi district GeoJSON. You have to correct the district name from the education data so that you can club it to those exact 9 districts, group it together, add it, and then create a final data frame. And then further use that data frame for doing the plotting for Matplotlib and bar chart. But if you don't understand that what exactly I need to do, you have to go back and watch the recording when I taught this particular hands-on, the same session 9 of the 9th April. Go and watch that recording. You will be able to get to the output for this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So now the only thing I have to do it, I have to get the data from the Delhi district and
Yes,
map it
correct.
with the
Yes.
Excel
And
data.
merge
Then-
all the Excel data into that data because that is your core, because that is your main GIS data that you have with the latitude and longitude, and the 9 main district data is in Delhi district, right? And the education data that you have is segregated for East 1, East 2, West 1, West 2. So you have to group it together and make it in such a way so that you can finally join it back to the Delhi district and then plot it and map it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I
Garima?
got it,
Yeah.
the concept.
Yes.
So I repeated here the same concept, but I have to remove it because I merged already
Yes.
the
Correct.
districts
You
and
have to just change few things in your workflow, and that's it.
Okay, I will watch again the
Yeah.
explanation of the 9th of April, the same
Mhm.
dataset to get the
Yes.
concept again.
Correct. So by tomorrow in the same session, we will start with the new topic. But first, I want you to complete these all 2 exercises before we start tomorrow's session. It will not take more than 1 hour to complete all these sessions. So then we will check this in the first 10 minutes, what all you have done, and then we'll move forward with the next topic. Only then once you have completed these 2 exercises, the DEM one and the correct one. Both of the exercises are related to each other. So it's just a building block in the previous exercise that we did today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
will do the both
Okay.
exercise and then you can check
Gari-
tomorrow.
Yeah. Garima, I hope you are also in the same kind of a stage, right? We're still exploring the data.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So like if you don't get the concept, how you have to come to the conclusion. But first spend at least an hour or 1.5 hours in understanding by yourself how you can use all these 3 or 4 data and get to the actual output answers. That first do it by yourself. But still, if you don't get the concept, watch that 9th and 9th April recording and then try to do it on your own. Okay. Okay, then. So I'll just close this here only today and try try to do it on your own. There's no questions, right?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay, then. Bye-bye. Good night. Haley, you also try to figure out your laptop problem because I feel that practicing is important, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then. Good night. Bye.